Like, for real, you guys, am I in like Back to the Future, or am I in the North Pole? Because this look giving me those vibes, okay? I'm like, or is it giving you some Cardi B vibes? Like, bitch, when I party with Cardi, Cardi, your body gonna ride me. That means I love my body, shouting I love my body. Hey. Welcome back to my channel. We're about to do a different video today. This is a Swiss lace 6-inch deep part wig that I'm showing you here. I bought it for about 60 bucks off of Amazon, and it is a blonde wig. I already have my stocking cap. I already put some powder on to make it look more like realistic, like skin, so it blends in with the wig, blends in, you know, like my skin color. And I'm just, you know, strapping it on with the adjustable straps I showed you in the back, and it has 2 combs, one on the bottom, 2 like by the ears. And now we're taking that got to be glued, putting that on so we can, you know, make it look realistic and lay down the front part of the wig. And I'm drying it up right now. Take a little time. And as you can see, I started laying down some baby hairs. So what the baby hairs do is it makes it look more realistic, like my own hair. So it's you know, making it lay down closer to my skin so it looks like my actual hair. And I'm just laying a little bit of baby hairs. We're taking that concealer and we're putting it in the 6-inch part. So it makes the wig look more realistic, so it looks more like scalp and not wiggy, and so it looks more natural instead of just without putting concealer in the middle part. And I'm taking my little infallible powder, and I'm putting a little bit of that in the part as well to like kind of set it. And I'm putting that through and trying to like not make it, you know, set it all together. You know, we gotta look slayed. For real, this is kind of giving me off the Game of Thrones character off of this. It's funny, this wig. And now I'm just you know, doing my little eyebrow routine, just, you know, putting it through, dancing a little bit, because you know your girl got to jam. And now I'm taking my Master Prime. I'm getting it primed up, rubbing that in so it can get all moisturized, you know, get all set, get it prepped up. And I'm taking that concealer, and you know, we gotta carve them brows out, make them look poppin', nice, and get them slayed, girl. And I'm just carving out my eyebrows. And then I already did one eye off of camera, and we're about to do the other eye from scratch. And I'm taking, you know, that little transition shade, and we popping it in the crease, blend and blend, you know, blend, 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 blend. And I'm just taking it a little bit away from the to the outer eye edge, so it can like swoop up and create a longer like winged effect. So we just blending that in, girl, getting it slayed. We're taking this Sagittarius, and we're blending that in as well into my crease. And I'm taking a little bit of this like dark brown shade, and I'm just darkening up my crease. And then putting a little bit more of that Sagittarius color. And we're just blending it in, making it all nice and set. because I wanted the blue more to pop, so I put a little more blue on top. And then, you know, we got to get that double cut crease up. So I'm taking my little angle brush and I'm trying to, you know, carve it out, make it look wing-like. And now we're taking that beautiful Libra shade. We're taking Leo and Gemini. Okay, this is the Zodiac palette. If you guys haven't checked it out, you gotta check this palette out because it is amazing. I love all the colors. Like, you guys see me always having the Zodiac palette. And I'm taking that Libra, putting it on the outer edge as the wing. On the middle part is gonna be Leo, and then on the inner tear duct part, I'm using the Gemini. And now I'm, you know, getting it wing-like and carving it out. I decided not to do eyeliner with this look because I usually do like a winged eyeliner. You see me dancing. And but I decided not to because the colors I think pop more without using it. And I'm getting that L'Oreal True Match Luminous on my skin. We're about to blend it up. Blending on all of our, you know, foundation. And I realized it now, but I should have worn like a scarf because it was so hard to dodge this wig when I was trying to put this on. It was so hard, but I ended up doing it. But I should have put like a little scarf around. But oh well, you know, your girl got through it. And now we're just, you know, taking the highlighted parts that you put concealer on under the eye, on the nose, along the top lip bow right there. And then, you know, I'm blending it all out, making that wing pop a little more. And the Zodiac palette just has beautiful shades, and we're about to take, you know, some of this setting powder, banana setting powder. This powder is really good. I used to use the Airspun at the drugstore, but that one's way better. And I'm taking my, you know, BH Cosmetics. I think it's called Bronze Babe. And I'm putting, you know, that on the main contour parts. Taking my Becca highlight, getting it highlighted up. You know, gotta look slayed. And we're just taking that. I'm putting it everywhere, all the highlighted parts in the inner eye. You know, you gotta get the under the eyebrows. And I just got this at the store. It's called the Master Strobing Liquid by Face Studio, Maybelline. You guys know I love me some Maybelline. And we're just highlighting all those parts. So I put the Becca and then I put this one on top just to make the highlight pop a little bit more. And we're just about to blend that out. And it is looking very beautiful. This is like the first liquid highlight that I've usually tried. I usually just use the you know, more powdered ones. And I'm over here dancing. Oh, I gotta get my Revlon photo set ready, setting spray, spraying it up. Okay. You guys, so this is the completed look for you guys. I did a little bit of, you know, Northern Lights look. Got this from my homie Z, the idea, but it's kind of giving off, you know, some Back to the Future vibes. But I did my first wig today. This is my first ever wig I did, so comment down below what you guys think. You know, good positivity, you know. So and it came out pretty good. I think it came out pretty good. It's a Swiss lace, so it just is like a middle part, and then I tried to lay down some baby hairs, you know, to make it come all together. And that's about it. You know, I did this little look. I was thinking maybe I should do it like shorter, like maybe like a bob, but this actually, when this wig that I purchased, it was very long. Like, it was like all the way down to my butt. And I cut it shorter because I was like, I'm not trying to have no blonde hair, especially blonde hair all the way down to my butt. I'm not that, you know, out there person. So I was like, I'll do like a little blonde, but I might, you know, cut this into a little bob maybe, or because I like it like short like that. It looks cute. But comment down below what you guys think. Thank you so much for staying tuned into my videos. You guys know I love you, and I will see you guys on my next video. And comment down below what you think about this look. Okay, Back to the Future or Northern Lights. Okay, all right. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.